Hello, let us see how to identify coins using Coinoscope. There is a software called Coinoscope. Coinoscope is an interesting software that can identify most of the coins. I have got two coins. Let us see whether we can identify that. See, I am trying with one side. Keep focused. Take a picture. And now it is searching. Oh, it is Algeria 1 dinar 87 25th anniversary. Yes, that is same. Yeah, it is correct. This identified correctly. So you can save this item or share it. Now I am saving it. Now I will try with the other side of it. Now the result is, yeah, Algeria 1 dinar is there. Okay, art is World Coin Gallery also identified the same way. So unicorn, yes, it is Algeria again. Okay, now I will take another coin, this one. Here also there is no writing in English. Let me see whether we can identify this. Take a photo. Now yes, Russia 1 ruble 64, Soviet Union. Yes, it is there. It is there. Yeah, it is Russia 1 ruble. Yes, it is identified. This software is very easy. You can identify any software with this, anything.